Well, in this video, we're going to work on a 2013 WRX that I bought to resell for profit, so come along. All right, so here's the car. It's a 2013 WRX wide body. A bunch of aftermarket parts on it. Wheels, downpipe, exhaust, and the glaring problem, no engine. So this car was bought from auction. It was a repo that pretty sure the guy hit a little bit of a accident with the front bumper and took out the oil pan and took out the engine. So I've got a new bumper for it. I dropped it off at the body shop to get painted, and unfortunately, the engine that was in it, the heads are junk. If the heads weren't junk, I'd probably put an STI short block in it, but since they are, budget-wise, it's just not there. So we got a JDM 2-liter here for it. So we're gonna throw that in. We're gonna take off some of the aftermarket parts that are on it because I don't wanna give them away with the car, plus it's gonna need more tuning with them. So we're just gonna kind of more or less revert it back to stock with an exhaust and yeah, sell this thing. So yeah, we're gonna start by getting the engine here put together and ready to go in the car. And then once it's in, we can start putting all the little stuff on. So yeah, come along. Well, I ran into one of the first little problems. I always forget that the coolant temp sensors are different. So I got a buddy of mine running out to either his house or my house, see if we got any spares laying around. We'll throw that in and yeah, continue on. So I've got an access port here. Since this car came from auction, chances are it had a tune on it. Well, there's no access port in the car. So we just got to marry one and unmarry one so we can get it off here, and then we should be good. So I'm gonna do this real quick and then we're gonna try for a first startup. Well, we pretty much finished the car up. I'm gonna clean it up and do a couple other things, but here she is. We gotta get some clips for the pieces there. Yeah, she looks good. Whoop. Nice clean interior. Everything. Yeah, once I end up selling the car, I'll do a breakdown of how much it costs versus profit margin and all that kind of stuff. But I don't want to get ahead of myself. I want to get the car sold and see what it comes in for. The car market is really hot right now, so hoping to get a pretty decent amount for it. So yeah, but that's where I'm gonna leave this video. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, I try to do at least one flip car a year, but if it's something you guys are interested in, I'll try to do a few more of them. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and see you guys next time.